case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2015 Authors Guild v. Google Inc. case, Google faced a lawsuit by authors of published books who claimed that the company's digitization of copyrighted books without permission constituted copyright infringement. Google had created a publicly accessible search function allowing users to search for words within these books and view snippets of text containing the search terms. Google defended itself by arguing that its actions were a fair use of copyrighted material. The lower court analyzed if Google's use of copyrighted books was transformative or whether it replaced the original works, harmed their market, and served a commercial purpose. The court found in favor of Google, determining that its actions were indeed transformative. The creation of digital copies enabled new public benefits, and that it did not affect the original works or their market. The court ruled that the library project in Google Books fell under the Copyright Act's fair use doctrine. The plaintiffs appealed for injunctive and declaratory relief as well as damages, but the ruling ultimately favored Google.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.